Hey guys, I want us to take a look today at Tru Finance because I'm seeing some things in the charts that could mean some explosive action in the near future. Let's take a look at what I mean. All right, and so we're looking at this chart now with Tru Finance, all right? And here's the thing. First, I want to take you back to a chart to show you some similarities, right? We're, so first and foremost, we notice that Tru Finance has been um, in this falling wedge, right? It's been doing a lot of sideways consolidation now since the 6th of August 2021, right? So 6th of August 2021, we went up, let's see, went up like 1,000%, came back down most of the way, and we've been consolidating and kind of moving fairly sideways for quite some time for, let's see, since August. So August, September, October, almost 3 months now, right? We literally just broke out of this falling wedge. So what I would look for in terms of an entry point, to be honest, I would look for somewhere down here around 1,000 satoshis, 1,053 satoshis, because this candle is pretty far gone. We've gone pretty far outside of the Bollinger Bands as well right here. So I don't think right here at this point is a wise place to get in. And normally, of course, when you break out, you want to come down and get a bit of a dip first. So I would probably look for a re-entry position, somewhere around 1,000 to 1,050 satoshis. All right, but I want you to take a look at XRP a while back. Right, I'm going to take you back here to when XRP first broke out of this major pattern. I want you to see what happened, right? XRP broke up from 1 cent. Let's see, what was it here? Sorry, from 4 cents, a little bit lower, from about it was somewhere around 3 cents to 36 cents. So again, about 1,000%, right? And then for the course of about 6 months, it just did this consolidation, right? It was also here in a bit of a falling wedge, right? It ended up breaking out of the falling wedge, but it kind of stayed in this sideways consolidation for a while, for almost 6 months to be exact. And then after 6 months, look what happened. We literally did a 1,200, call it 1,300% move, right? 13x move in the matter of 4 weeks after consolidating sideways pretty much for 6 months. So I've noticed, I've been looking at Tru BTC for a while, be honest with you, for a while. And so now I just decided to check on it today. I noticed that it broke out of this pattern here, which is a pretty good sign, right? Normally, when we break out of a falling wedge, the technical target is at the top of the wedge. So even from where it is right now, it's like 60 to 70% from where it is right now. But like I said, I don't like to chase green candles. I prefer to wait for a dip. I mean, if it just takes off and goes, then I'm going to just have to leave it and let it go, because chasing a green candle is the easiest way to just lose tons of your equity, right? So I would wait for something like that. But this certainly has my attention, and let's look at the Tru USD as well, right? Again, see what Tru USD is doing. It's we after this heavy launch, we have been moving sideways in this box. Let me draw this box out for you, right? So we've been moving in this area. We've really been staying consistent in this area now for several months, right? Several months between 39 cents and call it 40 cents and 70 cents, right? We've been staying in this 50% range for quite some time. And normally in formations like that, when you break out after that kind of consolidation, you break out, you normally have a pretty good move, a pretty strong move. So I just wanted to bring that attention to you with Tru Finance, and I think look out for it. Look out for it. I may take a small position, but like I said, I think I'd prefer to wait till it comes back down a little bit more in the USD section now. So it went to 75 cents, took off from 50 cents, so it went up 50%. I would want to see at least a 50% retracement, right? Like I said, here again, we're well out of the Bollinger Bands. I would look for it to come back down maybe to around 62 cents or so. I'd be looking for somewhere around there for an entry, or whenever it comes back down and hits the median on the Bollinger Bands, that's when I'd be looking for a re-entry position. So look out for that, guys, with Tru Finance. Okay. All right. Take care.